This is a quick video on how I create an Etsy listing. It's ideal for beginners. I have over 27,000 sales on Etsy and want to help others in any way that I can. If you click on the top right hand corner, it says add a listing, and it will then open up this page. Now I've gone ahead and used photos, tags and titles, description, otherwise it won't be a quick video, but I'll go over what I've done. You don't need to upload 10 photos, but the more photos you have will give your buyers a better understanding of your product. On the left hand side you'll see tips on using photos, and if you look at this photo here, it's got a warning icon, and that means that the photo isn't 2000 pixels wide. Try to get as close as that as you can, but I'm quite happy with the photo, so I just leave it. Arrange your photos in the order that you would like them. Something that I do if not all the photos are being used, I'll just show you here. I click on it. Is I have an image saying offering quality products and exceptional customer service. Please read my feedback reviews, and that's because I have over 5,000 reviews. So it just helps me get sales on my listings to show that I'm honest and people like my products. I still remember my first review and I was over the moon. Choose your best photo for the first photo. This is your thumbnail photo. You can then scroll down and adjust the thumbnail image. If I just click on. You can move your photo around, make it bigger, more close up. But I'm happy with how mine is. You can add videos to your product. Bring your product to life with a 5 to 15-second video. The video won't feature sound, so let your product do the talking. I won't actually show you in this video, just to save some time. We then go down to the listing details and your titles. Tell the world all about your item and why they'll love it. So my product is a cabochon ring with a colour changing cabochon, so that's why I've used those titles. We then go down to about the listing, and this is what you call attributes, and this helps people find you on Etsy search by filling these details in. It will ask who made it, what is it, and when did you make it. See, I made it because it's handmade. If it's craft supplies, which I also sell, it'd be another company or person. It's a finished product. If it was a craft supply, it would say a supply or tool. And the date in which it was made. Obviously, if it's vintage that you sell, you would use those dates. You then have to choose a category. Obviously, mine is a cabochon ring, and it then gives you options. And I will use statement ring, which puts my listing in the categories jewellery, rings and statement rings. We then choose the materials, and mine is stainless steel and aluminium, so I click on those. It then asks if it's a gemstone, which obviously isn't. We then have primary colour and gem colour. The band colour is silver, and then it asks you the ring size. Mine would be UK, but it's adjustable, so I don't actually enter anything in there. Is it recycled? No. Adjustable? Yes. Spinner? No. Gallstone? No. Then sustainability, but it doesn't apply to this ring. Then setting is a bezel. Then cut type, shank type, and style, which I put boho and hippie. And then we come to recipient, and it's not for kids because it won't fit their fingers. So I click what applies, and I put men because I sell to plenty of drag queens. And then we come to theme, and there are lots of different themes, but I'm going to choose love and friendship. Can it be personalised? No. Then we have renewal options. I use automatic and manual if it's a new listing and I want to see how it does. Then is it a physical or digital item? Then we come down to the description. Describe your product with a few keyword-rich sentences. Include some sentences about how your product will help someone. It may be a gift or something to help alleviate someone's stress, like a stress ball, relaxing bath product. Include some links to similar products if you have them. Maybe you also make a matching necklace or bracelet. Include important information like postage information, processing times. How long will it take for you to make it? Do you have a production partner? No. Then you need to add your product to a section. Mine will be handmade. Then we come down to the important tags. Try to use all the tags on Etsy if you can. Tags can contain up to 20 characters. Etsy matches tags with shoppers' searches to find relevant results. Tags exist only to tell Etsy's search engine what your item is. Next we have materials, and mine are stainless steel, alloy, and glass. Then we have inventory and pricing, and domestic and global pricing. Domestic and global pricing is maybe you will send something for free in the UK, and obviously you can't send it for free to USA, so that's when you would use that. Then we have quantity, how many of the products you have available. You also have an SKU, which is a stock keeping unit, and that's a way for you to keep track of your inventory and quickly identify what you have in stock. Then we have variations and add variations. Just for an example, I can add in quantity. I can then click on prices vary for each quantity and quantities vary for each quantity. I know that sounds confusing, but let me explain. I'm going to add 3 options, 3 colours, blue, red and yellow. Then click Save and Continue. We could say that each colour is a different price, so blue would be £5, red £6 and yellow £7. Then we would choose what quantities we have available. You can also link your photos. So let's just pretend we've got pens, and we're going to put a blue pen, red pen and a yellow pen against each quantity variation. And that's how you add variations. I'm just deleting the variations off. We then have personalisation, which doesn't apply to this ring. I won't cover personalisation now. Personalisation helps buyers let you know what they want to be personalised on an item, like an engraving or pattern. Then we come down to delivery settings. Setting up delivery settings would be a whole different video. We then have customs information and tariff number. This is for when we send outside the UK, if you do that. My tariff number for costume jewellery is 7117.19.00. You can go to www.gov.uk to find out tariff codes, but if you want me to, I can make another video all about tariff codes and how to find them. Just leave a comment in the description below if you would like me to make a video. But for a beginner, I would just start with the UK if that's what country you are from. Then we have returns and exchanges. Then finally, we've reached the end of the listing and it's ready to be published. But I can't actually show you the button because the screen recording is in the way. But here is the completed listing. You can see the attributes that we've entered, the descriptions. Those are photos from reviews that customers have left. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Leave comments below for other videos you would like me to make or explain or go over again. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye.